Welcome to another Total Student tutorial video. In this video, we will be covering the rewards section. To create and view rewards, click on the reward menu, then rewards. This page shows all of the active rewards offered by your school. To create a new reward, click Create New Reward. Enter the name of the reward, a description, and add the unit or point cost of the reward. Click Save and your reward will be published. Next, we will go over the rewards request page. This page shows all of the requests from students to redeem a reward. To accept or deny requests, click on the Actions button, then click View. Here you can accept or reject the request. You can also message the student regarding the request. That completes our tutorial on rewards.